Remington's math curriculum. And I know you guys have just been wondering to yourself, what is Stef doing for Remington's math curriculum? Well, I'm finally going to tell you. No, I'm just playing. Y'all know I'm just playing. I am recording at a different angle. I know, right? Finally. You're like, finally, she's recording at this angle. Okay, so, I'm not really sure. I'm just gonna be honest with y'all. I'm not really sure where I'm supposed to look. So if y'all see my eyes, if I'm looking over in this direction, if I'm looking over in this direction and I'm just talking, over here, you'll know why. Because seriously, I'm just gonna put this out. And y'all let me know whether you like the vertical or whether you like the horizontal film better, and I can record either way, but you guys just let me know which way you prefer. Y'all are the ones that are subscribing, y'all are the ones that watch the videos, and y'all are the ones that we are trying to help out with watching our videos. So yeah, just let us know if y'all like this angle or if you prefer this angle, or if you just want us to mix it up, we can do that. But I will try to find where exactly I'm supposed to look. So just bear with me. Just bear with me on this video, please. All right, so for Remington's math curriculum, this year we are not doing Mammoth. First grade, Mammoth was fine, but second grade we have chosen not to go on with the Mammoth program. Instead, he started a new program over the summer, and that program is Primary Mathematics, otherwise known as Singapore Math 1A and 1B. So he has completed 1A over the summer, and he will start out with 1B when we officially start school. We officially start school in September after Labor Day. We school year round, but we took July off because, I was just tired and he was just tired and Maverick was just a mess. So we just, took the month off. But anyway, he did fine with 1A. I also have 2A and 2B, and I have the instructor's guide because I'm pretty sure I'm going to need the instructor's guide by the time we get to 2A and 2B. Anyway, so yes, for mental math this year, he will be doing Singapore Math, and we will see how it goes. Mammoth was rocking and rolling just fine, and then all of a sudden it wasn't. So I changed it up, and so far, so good. Fingers crossed. The little pig left last year. Master Books level 1. It left. The little dog has entered the classroom. So I am excited for Master Books. I will tell you that I have been asked a couple of times if I thought Master Books was enough, because my background is in finance, commodities, numbers, and no, I can't do mental math. I have to have a 10 key. But anyway, that's how I made a living, was in all of that. Ran corporations and everything. No, but I found the way their teaching method was wonderful. I thought the way they taught Place Value Village was awesome, was brilliant. Remington picked up on that like that. So we are bringing in Master Books level 2, and I'm hoping to get the same value out of level 2 that we received out of level 1, and I am sure that Master Books will not disappoint. This is Lessons for a Living Lesson. This is Lessons for a Living Education, level 2, revised edition. The final thing that I have for his math curriculum, yep, we keep going. This was actually suggested by a subscriber, and so thank you very much. Over the summer, he started on Book B, and he really enjoyed it. So we are bringing into our classroom an octopus as well. We are bringing in mathematical reasoning, and this he has really enjoyed. So this is by the Critical Thinking Company. If you want a review or more detail, just leave a comment. But to the subscriber, thank you. I don't know if people will like shout outs or not. So you know who you are. And if you want to make a comment below, please feel free to do so. But thank you so much for recommending this program. I really do appreciate it because Remington really does like it. Okay, and so then we have what we call his morning starts. So I'm just going to show you a few workbooks that I have in his morning starts. It's like a morning basket, except it's more, we call it his brain workout. And he just has some workbooks, you know, kind of like a little stack, you know, and I'll put out a few, and then he'll just kind of choose daily, and that's how we kind of get his brain going. That's how we kind of get him ready for school, and that gives me a minute to get my bearings and you know, find my planner and all that kind of stuff. So we did get 2 more workbooks from the Critical Thinking Company, and I think I showed these to you in my Amazon haul. But we did get Math Analogies from the Critical Thinking Company, and we got Mind Benders. And again, these will be part of his morning starts. He will not have to do these every day, but they will be available to him so that he can choose from them. Another workbook that will be in his morning start is going to be the Analogies for Critical Thinking, and this is similar to the Evan-Moor book that I like very much, but this will be in his morning start. Again, if you guys want to flip through of any of this, or you want a little bit more detail, let me know and I'll be happy to make a video and do a flip through for you guys. The other thing that I am bringing back in, we brought this in towards the end of the year last year and he liked it, so we're going to continue the Lollipop Logic. He liked working on it, so you know, we're going to bring that back in. And then finally, another morning start that we're going to be bringing in is the Critical and Creative Thinking Activities by Evan-Moor. We love doing this together. We really do. We really like sitting down and doing these together. So this may not necessarily be in his morning start. This may be something that we do towards the end of the day, so that we are doing something together and you know, having fun with it. We would last year, if it was an animal, then we would find out certain facts about the animal from my assistant, who shall not be named, or she just starts talking and I can't get her to be quiet and it's just a mess, and y'all don't want to see me go through that, and y'all don't want to see her get yelled at. So anyway, yeah, but we both enjoy working on this, and so this is coming back for 2nd grade. And that pretty much wraps up our math curriculum and some of our morning starts for our brain workout in the morning. So again, we start our school year in September. Just a side note, I am having surgery next week. I know. And I will be out of commission for a couple of weeks. And during that time, Remington has some books that I'm going to be reading to him. So I will be putting out a video of some books that we will be reading in August. And unfortunately, our field trip had to get moved back. So while I am recovering though, we are going to learn something that he is very excited about learning. So you guys stay tuned for that video. That should be out in a few days following this one. Thank you very, very much. Again, if you liked any part of this video, thumbs up will do. Again, that lets YouTube know that somebody out there likes our content. And it also lets Remington know. I mean, he really enjoys when we get thumbs up. So, yeah, thank you very much. To our subscribers, thank you so much. We really appreciate it. And if you'd like to subscribe to our channel, we would love to have you. All you got to do is hit that red subscribe button and you can go on this journey with us. Doesn't cost you a thing to follow us. So I think that about wraps it up. Oh, I do have some fun schooling journals that I will be also showing you in the days to come. So that's it. There we go. That's a wrap. Until we meet again, be good to each other. Bye-bye.